This video should show you how to clean the G Nautilus Research. First step is taking out the amplifier out of the case. The amplifier shouldn't get wet, so put it in a plastic bag. It can get splashed with water, but it should not get completely wet. For cleaning, put it in a container filled with warm water and soap or enzyme cleaner. The water should have between 30 and 35 degrees. Put the cap completely into the water and leave it there for 30 minutes. Two brushes are included when ordering a G Nautilus Research. Clean it from the outside and from the inside. The FNR sensors should be removed, but the EEG electrodes can stay on the cap. In addition, you can clean the material around the electrode with a toothbrush. You can clean the reference electrode the same way. You can dry the cap a bit with a towel and then hang it up to dry completely. It is best to hang the cap by the fastening strap, but be careful that the amplifier does not just hang down.